I think she would have fun.
Oh, come on, who wouldn't?
She would jam and have so much fun.
Who wouldn't have
I think she would, but it's just getting her fucking ass out here.
You know, it's too bad it's at the end of the season. But she'll be all primed for next season.
No, so you get her to come out, and then by fall, she'll be totally ready to come.
Kevin's hanging on. Kevin never hangs on. You know what I mean?
Drive with Kevin and you'll be hanging on.
Yeah, but I've never seen Kevin hang on.
That was a steep hill.
He's even worse. We went through the whoops at 45. Going like this.
See, I don't want to hurt myself, so that's where my
Well, we didn't have brakes, so we kind of got fucked.
Don't hit Frankie!
That was like gear.
Ta-da!
Works.
It's running good, huh?
Yeah, it was the throttle the whole time.
Kevin, I've never seen you hang on before.
You want to drive it?
Try it.
Simple.
What are you, a
By
girly
yourself.
man? He's a girly man. I'm sending this the funniest home videos.
That might make her